Yo, welcome back, guys. One thing I've learned in the market is adjusting to the current price action in the market, right? So, if your previous week analysis is saying that you are going to sell, 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 and then you woke up the next day and see price expanding crazily to the opposite direction, what you're supposed to do as a trader is to reanalyze the market, and then that is what I do every day. Once I come to the chart any day, I must analyze the market, right? I must analyze the market. But the reason why I'm saying this is because last week I was expecting that price is going to trade into that rejection, the body of this rejection block you see right here. Let me indicate that. You see right here, I was expecting, but you can see that price never did that. So I had to readjust my bias, and then the market must force you to do that, because I don't see a reason why you think with this expansion that price is still going to trade bearish for the long run, right? Definitely, it's all sign and indication that we are going bullish. And then without even analyzing, I knew that price is targeting that buy side liquidity on the higher time frame right now, which means whatever I'm doing on the lower time frame should be in line and in accordance to what is happening on the higher time frame. This rejection right here is not something anyone should or you should ignore randomly, that price is not rejecting that area as a whole, right? So from the 4 hour time frame, it is clear that we started that bullish expansion from that area right there, and you can see price taking out that sell side liquidity, and all the candles there closes above that high right there. It is more clearer on the daily time frame, and then this will be my bullish order block right here. So I'm patiently waiting and then hoping that this price action is going to, sorry, is going to close above this high. If that happens, then it's a clear change in the state of delivery of price. So I'll be looking forward to only buying gold until I see gold take out that buy side liquidity right here. So with that being said, I dropped to the 4 hour time frame, knowing that the whole thing started from here, which is where I have the expansion. I expect that price is going to reverse back into this guy. And then for an order block to be valid, in this case, it's a bullish order block. It has to come with a fair value gap, which you can see clearly on the 4 hour time frame. So for me to join this buying opportunity, I definitely will wait for price to trade into the discount area of this whole range. You can see I'm always using my fib level. It's a basic economy. You want to buy when it's cheap, and then you want to sell when it's high, right? So I'll wait for price to trade into 50% of this guy, which is the discount area of this whole dealing range, before I could look for selling opportunity. And that only implies that it falls in between this range right here. This is below 50%, and right above this line, horizontal line, is the order block you see from the daily time frame. It is not yet valid, right? Because this price has not closed bullish yet. Gold can be crazy. You can see this whole thing dropping randomly and ending as a rejection candle, right? So I am just anticipating in this kind of market. I'm just anticipating because it's a live market right here. I'm just anticipating. So I'll keep my finger crossed, and then I see if price is still going to respect this bias of mine, right? So basically price can still trade above this guy what I have to do is to adjust the fib level to that guy right there. Is to adjust the fib level and then adjust my bias and then wait for a possible reversal below 50% of this guy, which is around all of this body right here. Okay. And then gold can be crazy at times. It can just boom drop into this guy and reverse immediately, or use this buy side liquidity as a support area and then reverse immediately. So it is what it is, but for the meantime, I'm only buying from discounted price, from the discount area. So I keep my finger crossed and then I see how it goes. And then for those of you who would be looking for counter trading, you need to see price give you a valid change in market structure, and then you can shut it down. And please make sure you hold responsible and then don't target. Be realistic with your target, right? Be realistic with your target. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please drop a comment under this video, and then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you.